How to making chicken breast burgers. Burgers are a popular picnic and summer treat, but they can get boring after a while. Why not spice them up with some chicken instead? You can make some delicious, simple chicken burgers using chicken breasts. If you are willing to put in a little time and effort, you can use ground chicken meat instead. Chicken breast. 2 skinless, boneless chicken breasts. 5 tablespoons canola oil, divided. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 2 cloves garlic, pressed through garlic press. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Zest and juice of 1 lime. 2 red onions, sliced into semicircles. 4 slices Monterey Jack or peppered Jack cheese. 4 hamburger buns. Ketchup and/or mayo, to taste. Hamburger toppings, tomato, onion, pickle, lettuce, etc. Serves 4. Step 1. Slice the chicken breasts in half lengthwise to make 4 thin cutlets. Place your palm on top of a chicken breast, then carefully slice it in half, like a burger bun. Repeat for the other chicken breast. You will end up with 4 equal-sized, but thin, chicken breasts. Step 2. Mix together your seasonings. In a small bowl, mix together the salt, black pepper, garlic, ground cumin, and chili powder. Mixing your dry ingredients together first ensures that they evenly coat the chicken. Step 3. Toss the chicken breasts with the mixed seasoning and 2 tablespoons of canola oil and some lime juice. Make sure that both sides of each chicken piece get evenly coated. Step 4. Let the chicken marinate for 20 to 30 minutes in the fridge. You can also let it marinate overnight if you making this ahead of time. Step 5. Heat 3 tablespoons of canola oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat, then add the sliced red onion. You can further season the onion with a pinch of salt and/or pepper. Cook the onion until it turns golden brown, about 8 to 10 minutes. Set the onion aside. If you cannot stand fried onion, you can skip this step and simply use the onion raw in your burger. Step 6. Grill the chicken over medium to medium-high heat until the chicken is cooked through, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. To save time, you can do this as the onion is frying. Make sure that the chicken is completely cooked through. Use a meat thermometer or cut the chicken partway to make sure. If the meat is pink inside, the chicken is not done. Step 7. Preheat the broiler in your oven, then broil the chicken and cheese in it. Arrange the chicken on a broiling pan or baking sheet, then top each breast with a slice of cheese. Place the chicken into the oven and broil for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the cheese is melted. Step 8. Heat the burger buns. This will make them taste better. You can cook them over a grill for about 1 minute on each side. You can also bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 177 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. Step 9. Assemble the burgers. Place the chicken onto the bottom half of a hamburger bun. Add the fried onion and your desired toppings, then finish off with some mayo, ketchup, or both. Cover it with the top half of the bun. Here are some tasty ideas for burger toppings. Lettuce, sliced tomato, slicked pickle. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.